Get on, guys. Get on fast. It's right now. Get on. Get on.
Cow!
Take some pictures, people. We are on the deep red tram.
What up? Remember to look up the sea monsters.
Yeah, if we manage to get out of Ironforge, we can actually make our way out towards Lokmodan and then just, finish it up over there because you can split over there to wetlands and badlands.
Destroy wetlands, ships.
First time here, really.
Hmm?
Never
First
played
time
Alliance?
here. Yeah, never played
Yeah.
Alliance.
It's actually
Let's make this. Guys, you all made my evening. This is so fucking epic.
This is better than a raid, man.
Yeah, man. This is
The
so
more you say,
fucking.
I don't need loot.
I
I see a female light elf.
Guys,
Plus 50.
if we can get a shard, try to summon Sugar. We had to leave Sugar in Stormwind. It's our only straggler. Everyone else got on. All right,
What's up?
let's kill this alliance, man.
Yeah, you see him. Warlock here.
No.
Come here, there, boy.
We need to summon bull gates as well. He did.
No,
Yeah.
to szklaneczkę
did not make it.
szybciutko, no.
Rizzo,
Guys, gather up. Before we get into
Oh, there's a lot
Ironforge,
of
please.
people. Fuck.
Oh, sorry, I thought I was mute. That was my
700
girlfriend, so... Yeah.
Does anyone have any shards? Anyone with any shards? Soft?
But a few were already entered.
Guys, go into Ironforge and group up.
There are like 2 or 3 people outside.
I think some people died in Ironforge.
Yeah,
that's-
how?
no, there's quite a lot actually.
Yeah,
Go
yeah,
back. A lot of people outside.
If you're
Oh,
allowed to
shit.
say-
Take it,
Oh,
please.
yeah.
Take it. Take
Okay, I'm
it.
coming out.
Take it, but
No,
take it. It's now or never, guys.
Oh no, there's too many of them.
This might be the end
Oh
of
man.
Yeah,
Oh,
there's
shit.
a lot of AoE.
I'm going back in. No.
This is the end of our raid, guys. We had a nice fucking run.
Still alive. Going back to Stormwind. Safer there.
So what do we do now?
we can just resurrect and wait.
No worries, I have reincarnation. I'll save us all. Okay, so the plan is you reincarnate and kill them all.
Oh, they're here. Oh shit, they're coming in. Motherfuckers.
I think we might have to risk sickness here.
Yeah, definitely more people in the Ironforge than Stormwind.
Jesus, man. I had so much fun. This was epic.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
Just to see even.
I
Do
think
anyone
everyone
know the
chooses
way
Ironforge.
up to Ironforge? I don't know.
I
Holy
mean,
shit. We're in
you can
Stormwind.
see the path on the
Yeah,
map. I just follow the roads. Oh, and by the way, if you guys can't see every place, I strongly suggest downloading an add-on called the Mapster. Mapster fills in all the blanks that you have on the map.
Yeah, all or Litrix maps as well.
Man, Softy, I can't wait for you posting that video. I want to see our time in Stormwind again. I never expected us to live that long, man.
Yeah.
Big congratulations to everyone. We're gonna try this shit again, most definitely.
Yeah, it was amazing.
We need more DKP so I can outroll the hunters